Humanoid robots basically going from kind of the science fiction view to like in actual real life. As we approach the next 10 or 20 years, every person in the world has a humanoid, and that humanoid will do everything for you physically.
Artificial intelligence is going bizarre with this crazy new invention. OpenAI recently unveiled a new robot with a ton of insane advancements. You might think you're looking at a copy of the Terminator. This fantastic robot shows us how the boundaries between human and machine abilities are getting blurry.
We see a future where there might be 10 billion humanoids on the planet. Our mission really here is to expand human capabilities. If we have humanoids in the market able to do any physical labor, think of what that does for the world. Labor is a choice. It'll free you up to do more things you love every day. And we think that's really an exciting and inspiring future.
Figure 01, created by the company Figure, is designed to look and act a lot like us. Standing at 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighing 60 kilograms, Figure 01 is built to navigate and handle tasks in environments made for humans, thanks to its human-like shape and abilities. What's cool about Figure 01 is that it doesn't need someone controlling it from afar. It operates all on its own. This robot has an intelligent AI system enabling it to perform tasks and react to situations just like a human would, without any direct human help. So it's not just following commands, learning and acting independently. This is a big step forward in how robots interact with the world around them. Crazy, right? OpenAI's large language models, like ChatGPT, make it possible for the Figure 01 robot to chat with humans just like we do. This robot understands and responds to conversations in real time, an impressive ability from OpenAI's advanced language intelligence. Unlike traditional AI systems that follow set patterns or pre-wired instructions, Figure 01 uses neural networks to help the robot pick up on unspoken cues and use something similar to common sense when making decisions. What's even more fascinating is that Figure 01 keeps getting smarter. As it learns from experiences, its neural networks improve its decision-making, moving from simple programmed responses to adapting intelligently to complex real-world situations. This means that Figure 01 doesn't repeat what it knows over time. It evolves and improves its interactions and decisions based on what it learns, just like humans do. Imagine you're at home and have just finished eating, leaving dirty dishes on the table, and a robot like Figure 01 spots those dishes. Instead of just seeing them, it understands those dishes must be cleaned and put on a drying rack. Think about how helpful it would be to have robots like this around. They could help at home with chores, work alongside people in factories, or even support hospital nurses and doctors. Envision your life with that extra time added to your day, because robots like Figure do the menial daily tasks for you. It adds up over time. Figure 01's ability to understand and react to different situations make it a fantastic partner in all kinds of everyday tasks. Thanks to the cool tech powering it, this robot moves with incredible precision all on its own. It can operate by itself, moving around with exact precision. This makes conversations flow smoothly without awkward pauses or delays. Imagine telling a robot to speed up or slow down, and it just gets it. You give it a high-level command like walk faster, and it figures out all the tricky stuff on its own, like how to balance, place its feet, and move its hands to keep walking smoothly. That's precisely what the Figure 01 robot can do. And even if the floor is uneven or something unexpected happens, Figure 01 keeps its cool and walks without any trouble. But there's more to this robot than just following commands. Figure 01 can learn new tasks all by itself. Once it learns something new, it can share this knowledge with other robots through swarm learning. This means that not only does it get better at what it does, but it also helps other robots improve and expand their skills. So over time, Figure 01 and similar bots can do all sorts of tasks, constantly adding new abilities to their system. The robot is so versatile that it can work in factories, help out in warehouses, assist in stores, and even help build structures on other planets. That's the vision for the Figure 01 robot. With all these capabilities, you might wonder if we should be worried. As AI technology keeps improving, it raises many vital questions about what it means for us all. On the one hand, these advancements are super exciting. They have the potential to change industries, advance scientific discoveries, and improve our daily lives. AI can make things more efficient, help us do our jobs better, and even save lives in areas like medicine and transportation. But it's normal to have some worries too. What if robots become too much like those from movies like Terminator or Ultron from Marvel, where they try to take over? Don't worry, that's just a fun, scary thought for movies. Really, it's more exciting than alarming. Additionally, the makers of the Figure 01 robot are focused on using their robots for good, rather than for creating weapons. They're interested in positive impacts like helping people and improving our work and lives. So while AI does bring some challenges, the focus is on using these powerful tools responsibly and safely, and other companies are starting to notice. Figure is one of many companies racing to turn humanoid robots into a reality. Started in 2022, Figure AI has quickly caught the attention of some big names in the tech world. They've raised a whopping $675 million from major players like Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, Microsoft, and OpenAI. That's a massive vote of confidence. With this funding, the startup has sped up the development of its humanoid robots, designed for use in various industries. What we're seeing with Figure 01 is just the beginning. Its incredible abilities come from integrating some of OpenAI's most advanced AI technologies, which hints at a partnership. OpenAI teaming up to power the Figure 01 robot is a really cool move. This partnership is really about showing off what AI can do, pushing the limits of robotics, and using expert knowledge in AI algorithms to make the robot even better. This collaboration is all about mixing the best artificial intelligence with robotics to spark new innovations. By combining their strengths, OpenAI and Figure explore how these two fields can work together to create more thoughtful and valuable robots. It's like putting together a dream team to ensure that the robots we end up with can do amazing things and help out in ways we've only just begun to imagine. The team up between Figure and OpenAI is a big deal in the world of humanoid robots. It shows how much AI-driven innovations can change things, potentially transforming various industries. We're all excited to see what they'll come up with next. In less than a year, the Figure team made their robots walk on 2 legs, a feat that marks one of the fastest developments in humanoid robots. That's super impressive. With the introduction of Figure 01, we're getting a peek at how AI advancements are reshaping our world. This sets the stage for a future where robots and humans work together more seamlessly than ever before, bringing us to a new era of sophistication in how we interact with machines. We are stepping into a future where the line between human and robot becomes incredibly blurred, opening up all sorts of possibilities for what we can achieve together, or, as some have speculated, what could be lost forever. What do you think it's going to be? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.